Hi, how are you? Shall we play a game? Something which is interesting? Okay. What I'll do is I'll post you an illustration of an anatomical area which has numbering from 1 to 15. 1 to 15. All you need to do is name them. Name as many numbers as you can based on your knowledge levels. So consider this as a game, consider this as a challenge. I'm sure most of you might not get all the 15 names right, but consider this as a challenge and I would like to be proved wrong. Okay, so here is the illustration for you. As you can see, it's the illustration of mandible and you can find plenty of numbers. 1 to 15, right? So try naming as many as you can in the comments section below. I will review your answers, review your comments live, and I will try to correct if necessary. And see to that you name as many as you can, right? So consider this as a challenge. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. So wish you all the best. Love you all.